Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us. In today's video, I'm going to give you a demonstration of the Golden Technologies Buzzaround LT. It's a brand new three-wheel mobility scooter. Comes apart very easily. It has probably one of the most comfortable seats out of all the comparable models out there that are designed for travel that come apart. And I'm just going to take you on a ride. We're going to go to the grocery store. We're going to get some bottled waters for the office here. Now, before I get started, I just want to mention two quick things. Number one, if you want a copy of our free product catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, www.mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically going to get entered into our monthly giveaway raffle. That's right. We give away a free mobility scooter once a month to a random subscriber. You're already here. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and you're automatically entered into the giveaway. Now, I'm going to show the last winner on the screen so that you know it's legit, and we'll be right back with you. All right, we're here. We're pulling up to the lucky winner's apartment building, and we're going to bring the scooter up to her door, and we're going to get the reaction on video. I'm pretty excited. This is awesome. I mean, we're giving away a mobility scooter to someone that truly needs it. So stay tuned. We're going to go up the elevator. It's on the 3rd floor, and we're going to present this custom scooter to the winner.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, thank you.
You like the scooter?
No, it ain't for me, but who's...
We're giving this...
I was going to say, you look like you can run a marathon. You don't need a scooter.
No.
We're actually giving this one to one of the residents here on the 3rd floor. It might be your neighbor.
Yeah,
Yeah, they entered into a giveaway raffle and they won. That's why we're getting it on camera.
So badly. Oh
Yep.
my gosh! I'm so happy for you.
Hello.
it's
The
good
new
to meet you.
scooter. This is the new... Oh, God bless you. You won.
Alright, so we're here with Gloria, and she's got her scooter that we're donating, and all she did was subscribe to our YouTube channel about a year ago.
I said it's a godsend that I got this. It's a miracle, really. I needed it desperately.
Well, it's something we're really happy to be able to do, Gloria.
Thank you.
And we really appreciate those kind words. And it's pretty easy. All you have to do is subscribe. This is what we're doing here every 6 months. So if you know somebody else that could use one, please tell them about it. All right, welcome back, and good luck to you if you subscribe. By the way, I also want to mention that once a month on the first Wednesday of every month, we do a live stream video on our YouTube channel to answer technical questions. So if you or someone you know has a mobility scooter and they need technical support, that's a great opportunity to join us the first Wednesday of every month to ask technicians technical questions about your powered mobility devices, whether it's a power wheelchair or a mobility scooter or even a lift chair recliner. Now, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get started with this video. I'm going to just give you a quick little rundown. It has a bunch of great features like a rotating seat. It will lock into several different positions. You can go all the way around 360 degrees, and it's going to lock into position with this lever on the right hand side. It also has flip up armrests. The seat is removable, and it has width adjustments for the armrest. So if you want to widen up the distance between the two armrests, you just loosen that knob up, slide it out, and then retighten so you can have more room in between the armrests. Now, a couple of other things. It has a 1-inch square receiver in the back, and that's where we're going to attach the shopping basket to. And I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. It's pretty easy. It works like a hitch receiver on the back of a truck. Now, as far as the disassembly process, it's very easy. Turn off the scooter, take the basket off. I like to fold down the back of the seat first, pick up from the back and the front, go straight up. Don't tilt in any direction, just go straight up, or else it will be difficult to remove that seat. Now, once you have the seat removed, just grab the battery box by the handle. There's a charging port there, a fuse, and a breaker reset switch. Once you have the battery box out, you can rotate this knob counterclockwise to lower the handlebar. This is used to adjust the tilt, so you can bring the handlebar closer to you, further away, or when you're ready to transport it, you bring it down to about here. Don't let it rest on the block there that provides power from the battery pack, and then tighten it. So it's about 2-3 inches up from that power block. Now, when you're ready, you can separate the rear, which has the motor and the back 2 wheels from the front, by picking up with the post here, the seat post, and then lifting this lever up. Now you can put all these things in the back of a trunk of a car, even a small car, and it should fit in your trunk no problem. Now, one thing to keep in mind, when it's in your trunk and you're driving, the handlebar could swing left and right a lot and damage the horn, the ignition, the keys. So what you want to do is lock the tiller. There's a little rotation knob right here, and that's going to keep it from swinging. Now it's locked. Now keep in mind, if you put your scooter together and this is still locked, you won't be able to turn the front wheel. So go ahead and unlock it when you're done by going counterclockwise. You do have to push in a little bit. But that's pretty much it. So now that it's taken apart, you know how it comes apart. I'm going to put it back together, which takes no time. We're going to line up these hooks with this bar, and it just kind of falls into place. Super easy. Very, very easy to use. Very easy to travel with. It can support up to 300 pounds. It has a really good battery on it that's going to give you close to about, depending on the weight and the terrain, about 9 to 10 miles, I believe. We'll put the link in the description below for the specifications. In this video, we're not going over the specifications too much, but if you want to learn about the specifications or see how to unbox it when you order one, we do offer free shipping and tax-free sales. We have a whole nother video that goes over the unboxing and assembly process. It's very light assembly, no tools are required. And again, this is the Buzzaround LT by Golden Technologies. Comes with a nice little flag here, which I'm going to unwrap. Now, really quick, I just want to show you how the steering works. So on the handle, or the tiller assembly is what it's called, there are 2 paddles. And there's also a speed control knob. I'm going to adjust the handlebars closer to me. So here we have the key. When you turn it on, you have the battery indicator meter that turns on, indicating that the unit's on. You have a speed limiter knob to limit the top speed. It goes about 5 miles per hour. With the top speed all the way up. You have a horn button and an ambidextrous single-handed use throttle system, which means if you want to go forward and backwards using only your right hand, you can pull back to go forward or push forward to go backwards with your right hand. You can even use one finger. Same thing with your left, except the controls are inverted. So if you push forward, you pull back, you go back with the left hand. So again, you only need one hand to use it. It's got a nice wraparound Delta tiller. And the only other thing that I will mention is that, like all mobility scooters, this has automatic brakes. So as soon as you're done using the throttle, it locks into position and it won't move. That's a safety feature. So if you get stuck on an incline and your battery dies, you're not going to roll down that hill uncontrollably into a lake. So if you want to push the scooter manually, let's say your batteries are dead and you want to roll it around, there's a quick release lever for the braking system back here. And if you hit that lever and you put it into the neutral position, now the brakes are off and you can roll it around manually. See? The only issue is when it's in freewheel mode, aka neutral mode, if you try to use it, it won't work. It's just going to beep because the safety feature of the automatic braking system is not on. And the manufacturers use that as a safety protocol. So it won't work unless the automatic brakes are on. So with that being said, I'm going to hit the brake lever, put it back into drive mode, turn it back on, and it's good to go. I'm going to grab my basket, and installing the basket is super easy. All we have to do is get this 1-inch square tube, slide it into the hitch receiver on the back. You want to loosen up this knob that secures it into place so that it slides in all the way. Once you loosen it far enough, it goes in. So it's almost all the way. Pretty much have to take it completely out. There we go. Now that it's all the way in, you want to screw it all the way in so that it's nice and secure. And then you can use this to go shopping. So with the rear basket and the front basket, you've got enough room there to put maybe a case of waters, a couple of loaves of bread, some chips, ice cream, what have you. I'm going to show you what it's like to take this on a quick little ride to the grocery store. We're actually out of water in the shop here, so I need to go get some. What better time to take you on a ride with me? Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to move the handlebar a little bit further away from me. It's going to make it a little more comfortable for my size and body type. I'm going to take the camera from our camera person here. Thank you. All right, so now we've got the camera in widescreen mode. I'm going to turn the speed up, and we're going to make our way over to the fresh market here in our plaza where our store is located in Bonita Springs, Florida. It's in Southwest Florida. Thankfully, we survived Hurricane Ian. Came by and knocked out our power for a couple of days here, and actually about a week. We also lost internet, but we are back up and running. So it's pretty nice that you can control this with just one hand. It's got a pretty smooth ride, even though it doesn't have suspension. I weigh about 210 pounds, so if you try to go on grass, it does kind of traverse onto grass a little bit, but I do not recommend using it on grass for anything more than just skipping across a little grass patch. Don't want to ride this full time on the grass, or even for prolonged periods of time on the grass. It's not going to perform well. Could overheat your motor, controller could burn up, and your batteries are not going to like it either, so try not to go on grass. I'm going to cue the music here while we go for a little trip to the grocery store. Enjoy. Thank you. Guess they moved the waters to the front of the store. No problem. Thank you. Have a good one. All right. All set. So as you can see, going to the grocery store is totally doable and pretty easy when you have a mobility scooter like the Buzzaround LT by Golden Technologies. And we're gonna make our way back to the shop now, but I'm gonna conclude this video. I do wanna say thank you all for watching. We appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like this video, share it if you want other people to see it. And ask any questions that you might have in the comment section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's a question, comment, feedback. You can feel free to post your questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to claim a copy of your free catalog and tune in the first Wednesday of every month for our live stream Q&A video. Again, this is the Golden Technologies Buzzaround LT. My name is Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thank you and have a great day.